Question is given square root of 8 under square root of 8 power 8 is equal to what? We have to find out the value of this. How we can find out? Let's see solution. You can see the square root of 8. Square root of 8 is equal to, we can write 8 power 1 by 2, right? Square root of 8, square root of 8. So we can say double square root of 8, this one. So square root of 8 and square root of 8. So 1 by 2 and here 1 by 2. So 8 power 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is equal to, we can write this 8 power 1 by 4, right? In next term, square, square, square. So 3 times square, square, and here square again, and this one square. So 3 square. So we can say 8 power 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 this one, and times 1 by 2 this one. So equal to 8 power 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. 8 power 1 by 8. Right? Now we have to simplify this one. So square root of, first we are taking question here. Square root of 8 under square root of 8 under square root of 8 power 8. Right? This is question. Now square root of 8. So we can write this 8 power 1 by 2. First one, because here 1 square. So 8 power 1 by 2 times square 1 by 2, 1 by 2 double square. So we can say 8 power 1 by 4 times 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 8 power 1 by 8. So we can write this 8 power 1 by 8 power 8 is equal to, now this is in multiplication form. So when power is in multiplication form, so we can add that time. So therefore we can write this 8 power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 power 8, right? Now is equal to, now we are adding this power. So 8 power 1 by 4, 1 by, we are taking LCM here. So we can get 8 power 8, 2 4 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8 plus 8 8 ja 1. So here 1 power 8 is equal to 8 power 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So 8 power 7 by 8 power 8, right? Now is equal to, we can do here one thing. This 8 will cancel from here. So 8 power, this will cancel. So we got here 8 power 7 is equal to, now this 8 we can write 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 power 7 is equal to, we can write 7 3s are 21. So we can write 2 power 21, and this is the solution. Now we are using second method. So we are using here next method. First we are taking question. So 8 square root of 8 square root of 8 square root of 8 power 8, right? This is question. So we can write here one thing, square root of 8. So first we are taking this 8, then we can write here 2 power 3, right? 2 power 3, and this one square root of 8, and here square root of 8 under this square root of 8, right? And here one more thing, square root of 8 power 8, right? We are using this 8 2 power 3. Now in next term we can use here 2 power 3 square root of 8 square root of 8 power 8 and times this square root 1 by 2, 1 by 2, right? So we can cancel this 2 4 ja 8, right? Now is equal to 2 power 3 square root of 8 square root of 8 power 4, right? Now in next term we can do here one thing, square root of 2 equal to, now 2 power 3, so we can write this 2 power 3. Next term, square root 8. So this 8 we can write in terms of 2 power 3. So we can write here 2 power 3 times this is square root 8. We can again write here 2 power 3 under square root of 2 power 3, right? Power 4. Now in next term is equal to 2 power 3 square root, first one 2 power 3 times square root. Now 2 power 3. So this 2 power 3 we can separating here power. Then we can write this 2 power 2 times 2 power 1. So we know the formula a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This is the formula. A power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So here a power m times a power n. So 2 power n, right? 2 power 3. Now power 4. In next term, we can write here 2 power 3, right? Next term, square root 2 power 3. Now 2 power 2 means we can, if we are separating here, 2 power 2 means 4. Simple language. 4 times 2, right? Power 4 is equal to, now 2 power 3 square root 2 power 3. Now this is square root of 4. So here 4 we can write this 4 as 2, right? So we can write here 2 power 3 times 2 square root of 2 power 4. 2 power 3 square root of 2 power 3 into 2 square root of 2 power 4. Now next term 2 power 3 square root. Now 2 power 3 and here 2 power 1. So 2 power 3 into 2 power 1 means 2 power 4. So we can write this 2 power 4 square root of 2 power 4, right, is equal to 2 power 3. Now square root of 2 power 4. So we can write 2 power 4. 2 to the 4. Here 16. So we can write here 16 square root of 2 power 4. Now square root of 16 4. So we can write this is equal to 2 power 3 into square root of 16 means 4, right? And here this is square root and this is square root. So square root under square root of 2 power 4, right? Now is equal to 2 power 3 times this 4 we can write in power form. So 2 power 2, right? And here square root under square root 2 power 4 is equal to, now 2 power 3 into 2 power 2. So again using same formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we can write this 2 power 3 plus 2 5. 2 power 5 and here square root under square root 2 power 4, right? Now is equal to 2 power 5, right? 2 power 5. So this is power. So we can write this 2 power 5 into 4 into square root of 2. We can write square root of 2 square root of 2 and here power 4 is equal to 2 power 5 for 20 into square root of 2 square root of 2 means 1 by 4. So we can write this 2 power 4 times 1 by 4. This 4 will cancel from here. So we got here is equal to 2 power 20 times 2 power 1, right, is equal to, again when we are adding this 2 power 20 plus 1, that is 21, 2 power 21, right? So this is the solution, 2 power 21. We got this solution in first method same as it is 2 power 21 and here also 2 power 21. Thank you.